everybody, it's Roxanne and this is Whitecotton Quilts. So I know you probably noticed that the YouTube channel only has like 3 videos on it, and trust me, I did record some more and they will probably all get uploaded with this one at the same exact time. So today what I'm going to focus on is the week 2 of the Skein of Geese Quilt-a-Long. So if you've been following along, week 1 you were supposed to pick your colors. So I'm doing both colorways. There's the regular Skein of Geese colorway, which is this pattern right here. And if you purchase the Skein of Geese with the Christmas add-on, you will get the Skein of Geese pattern. And then at the very back of that pattern, you will get the directions for the Christmas sew-along. Very super easy quilt pattern. This one by itself is $10. If you're confident enough to figure out yourself the color placement. This one with the Christmas is $15 on the website. So myself, I'm one of those that I have to see it before I can do it. So there are coloring pages included for each one of the sizes. This does make 3 sizes. So you're gonna make a baby, a twin, or sorry, a baby, a throw, a queen. So there's that. Oh, sorry guys. Tickle in my throat all of a sudden. Hold on. So, that being said, last week you were supposed to pick out your colors. I am doing both ways. And this is how fast this goes. I had this cut out, well, I had it cut out 2 weeks ago, guys, to be honest with you. But I got busy yesterday actually sewing on it, and I completed the whole baby size yesterday. That's how quick it goes together. So there's the baby size. And I'm half tempted because it went so quick. I am half tempted just to go ahead and make the throw size just so I can have it. Because it goes together super fast. So let's get into the cutting, because that is week 2. Week 2 is the cutting. So you can probably see on my messy cutting table right here all of my colors. I have the strips cut out of the rainbow version because, like I said, I already did the Christmas. So what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and I started cutting the strips. Now you're going to need, for pretty much all of them, you're going to only need to cut like 5 strips, except for the white, and that's way too many. But like I said, I was tempted to go ahead and do a throw size of this, so I'm going to need those anyways. And the gray, you're going to need probably that many, I think, from the size I decided to do. I'm doing the throw size on this, so yeah, you're going to need a lot. And then the purple is the majority too. So I've already got those cut, and then I went ahead and I subcut the blue and the red. Now the red, I will say, if you're doing the rainbow, you're only going to need like 2 strips for the red, because that's it for the whole quilt. And then the light blue, I went ahead and subcut it down. So I will do another video on subcutting if you're not quite sure what that means. Basically, I cut my strip, and then I took that strip and cut it into smaller sizes. So right here's 2.5 by 2.5, and this is 2.5 by 4.5 for the flying geese. Now I will also say, if you're one of those people that's concerned about the environment and waste and stuff, there is some waste to this quilt. I do have another version of this pattern coming that I'm prepping for doing the flying geese units. Instead of doing it stitch and flip like this, you're going to be able to do them 4 at a time. So there'll be hopefully less waste, and then you'll just trim them. I'm going to try to do it so you can just trim them down a little bit. This one, I made it specifically with the stitch and flip for those of you out there who are first-time quilters and you might be a little intimidated by doing the 4 at a time or a little confused on how the 4 at a time works. So this is why I started it this way. So you can do it either way. But I'm just letting you guys know that that's the way I do it in this pattern. And just to let you guys know, I don't throw nothing away. Any scrap I do with this pattern, I basically take that and turn it into teeny tiny little half square triangles and make pot holders or something else out of it. So nothing goes to waste in my house. So I think that's enough for today. Like I said, this week you're supposed to be cutting all your pieces. So cut your strips, subcut it into your pieces. Like I said, I gotta sit and subcut my background 2.5 inch squares. And then when you get all that done, then next week we are gonna dive into the actual sewing, and hopefully I will be on the ball next week after the market that I got coming up this weekend, and we will do a video about the sewing. So I think that's it, guys. I really wanted to make this really super quick on this pattern. You can get this pattern on my website. So it's www.whitecottonquilts.com, and you can find this pattern and my other patterns. This is pattern number 7 or 8. Is it 8, Carrie? I think it's 8.
If you add the add-on, I think it would be 8.
Yeah, I think if you add the add-on, it'd be 8. So yeah, so you have a whole load of patterns to choose from if you don't want to do this one. All of them. Every last one of them is beginner friendly for those of you out there that's just diving in and you want to make something right off the bat that looks beautiful. All of them are going to suit your needs. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, like I said, next week I will be a little more on the ball and get some more stuff for you to watch. And also next week is our sewing. So yay, we're getting there. Thanks you so much. Bye.